Shelley just completed that turn at only 1,400 feet. This is less than the size of an average NASCAR racetrack, at well over twice the speed of your... The A-10 is a premier closed-air support aircraft supporting our ground forces engaged with the enemy. These forces usually include an Air Force Joint Tactical Air Control, or A-10. It will now take Captain Shelley less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second straight attack. With two hogs working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10 to 15 seconds. Captain Shelley is now repositioning for his final attack, where he will simulate dropping 500-pound Mark 82 general-purpose bombs. These general-purpose bombs are useful for breaking airfields or destroying buildings, adding versatility to Hogg's arsenal of weapons.
Hog will let passengers with the bomb.
Is now performing a cheek-out maneuver. This continuously changing three-dimensional maneuver makes life very difficult for any anti-aircraft gunners. The A-10 was built to withstand significant battle damage, having the capability to withstand significant battle damage, having the capability to fly in a single engine and total loss of hydraulic power. The Warthog is a well-earned reputation for strength and striking power, a reputation earned in Kosovo, Afghanistan, and Iraq, where the Hogs destroyed numerous enemy armored vehicles, artillery sites, Scud missiles, and was credited with 2 air-to-air kills. Today, the upgraded A-10C, armed with the state-of-the-art targeting pods and satellite communications, continues to set the standard for supporting Allied forces in today's joint fight. And now, from the right, the 4-point roll, showing the critical handling characteristics of the A-10. Ladies and gentlemen, Captain Shelley is now repositioning his A-10 behind and to the right to set up for the dedication pass. We would like to dedicate this pass to the men and women of the armed forces and their families who support them. We would also like to remember our wounded warriors. Once again, we salute all those fighting in today's joint fight and any wounded warriors and veterans in attendance today. Information today is a Vietnam-era A-1 Skyraider piloted by Greg B.A. Anders. And an A-10 Thunderbolt II piloted by Captain Joe
Led by the CF-18 demonstration aircraft, and on his right wing, the Discovery Air F-86 Sabre, and on the left wing, the Canadian Forces Tudor aircraft, painted up in the snowbird colors. Beside me is one of the pilots of the F-86 Sabre, Rob Scratch Mitchell, who flew yesterday's demonstration.